Ever feel like you're drowning in spreadsheets trying to juggle your finances and keep track of your stock? You're not alone. Inventory management can be a nightmare for small businesses, especially when your accounting software doesn't quite cut it. So, if you're considering Zoho Books a popular accounting solution, you might be wondering, can it handle my inventory needs? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Zoho Books and its inventory management capabilities. Basic inventory on board. Let's get the headline out of the way. Yes, Zoho Books offers basic inventory management features. You can create items, set their purchase prices, and track their quantities. This is a good starting point for businesses with a small, slow-moving inventory. You can even set reorder points to get automatic notifications when stock gets low, preventing those dreaded stockout situations. But here's the catch. While Zoho Books offers the essentials, it's not exactly an inventory management powerhouse. Here's where things get a little tricky. Limited features. Zoho Books keeps things simple, which can be a double-edged sword. You won't find features like serial number tracking, advanced costing methods like FIFO or LIFO, or the ability to manage multiple warehouses. No built-in sales orders. If you rely on sales orders to manage your inventory flow, you're out of luck. Zoho Books doesn't have this functionality built in. Reporting light. Inventory reporting in Zoho Books is basic. You can see your current stock levels and generate reports on inventory valuation, but that's about it. No fancy reports on sales trends or purchase analysis. Zoho Inventory to the rescue for a price. Zoho understands these limitations. That's why they offer Zoho Inventory, a separate product specifically designed for in-depth inventory management. Here's where things get interesting. Inventory Nirvana. Zoho Inventory boasts a treasure trove of features: serial number tracking, multi-warehouse management, advanced purchase orders, and in-depth reporting with sales trends and profitability analysis. It's an inventory management dream come true. Seamless integration, mostly the good news. Zoho Inventory integrates with Zoho Books, allowing you to keep your accounting and inventory data in sync. The not-so-good news? Integration might require some additional setup and might not be as seamless as you'd hope. So, Zoho Books for inventory? The answer depends on your business needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Simple inventory, simple business. If you have a small, slow-moving inventory and basic tracking is enough, Zoho Books might suffice. Growing business, growing needs. If your inventory is expanding or you crave deeper insights, Zoho Inventory is the clear winner. However, be prepared for an additional cost and potentially some integration headaches. Zoho Books offers a decent starting point for basic inventory management. But for businesses demanding more control and advanced features, Zoho Inventory is the way to go. Remember, it's all about finding the solution that scales with your business and keeps you from getting lost in a spreadsheet labyrinth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.